Hey guys, it's Tracy. Welcome back. Today I'm sharing how I painted a welcome sign for an upcoming wreath that I am doing. And guess what? I messed up on the sign and I had to redo it. So I thought this would be a great thing for me to show you that painting is not going to be perfect. And I am going to share my tip of what I do to replenish my sign and start back over and my sign is not trash. I know it may be considered double work, but at least my sign is not trash, especially if we spend lots of money on different pieces of wood and that kind of thing. So this is my tip of how I replenish my signs. Okay, I have these pickets that I've had. They're like old fence posts, and I had my husband cut them at 12 inches in length. And so then what I want to do is I want to put some chalk paint on them, and I want them to look rustic. So I'm not covering all of the way. But when I get to the lettering, I'm going to show you how I messed up and then how I corrected it so my sign is not trash. I'm just taking some red paint and using my fan brush and just making some lines. It just kind of gives a little bit of character, and I like to do this for my signs. So I just, just make some lines vertical and then horizontal. Okay, this is the part that I want to share with you. I am doing my lettering. I'm trying to write welcome, and I made the middle letters too big. And so then I ran out of space when the M and the E, that M and that E, I do not like that. I thought that I was going to fix it, so I kind of fooled around with it a little bit, and then I really didn't like it. So let me show you what I do. What I do then is I go ahead and wipe everything off, and I just paint the whole thing black, okay? I paint the whole entire sign black and let that dry, and then I go over it with a coat of Crackle Medium. Crackle Medium. I will put a link in the description below to my Amazon store, so you can get it from Amazon or you can get it in the craft stores. But this is my favorite way to correct signs. So what you do for the Crackle Medium is you need to, once the black is dry, then you will need to put a coat of the Crackle Medium on your sign. Let that completely dry. And then you go back over it with the lighter color. So that's what I'm doing, is going back over it with the chalk paint. And I did kind of, go over it a little too much in that top right-hand corner. And so you just kind of get a feel of it when you use it a little bit more. But guys, this really works and it makes a beautiful crackle. And then I'm going to, learn from my mistake, and I'm going to rewrite welcome. And my sign is going to be beautiful. So once I have my white paint on there, I just go back over it with the red stripes. And then now I'm going to shade, and I have a angle brush and some clean water and some brown paint. And I dip the largest part, or the tip of the angle brush, into half of it in paint, and then the other half of the brush in clean water, and then I blend it there on the paper towel. And then I just go along the edges of the sign, and that gives it the shaded look. So then I have my little paintbrush, and I'm going to learn from my mistake from the last time. And so I will just continue to write welcome and do my little doodling, and my sign just turned out perfect. Once everything is completely dry on my sign, I do put a coat of varnish on it. This is my favorite varnish to use. I get asked quite a bit what varnish I use. I do have a link in the description below, so you can check that out, okay? Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please give me a thumbs up, and I love to read your comments. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and click that bell notification so you will be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you all for watching, and God bless.